Hey, it's Grips, and as always, thanks for joining me, as you do. All right, I get this asked quite often. What is the difference between using blue screen or green screen when it comes out to keying? Well, let's grab a blue screen, drop it onto our timeline, all the way in here, and then I'm just going to trim it right here within the preview window. If you didn't know, yes, you can do all your trimming in the preview window. That's pretty cool, right? Let's drag that right across. Let's do the same with the green screen as well. It doesn't matter where I put it because I'm going to trim it anyway. That'll do. And I'm going to do the same here. It just needs to be a very tiny bit of footage that I need for this demo. And let's grab that right across like so. All right. I've also got a black background on the main track. What is the difference between blue and green? Very simple. If you're going to use a dark background, black, gray, or anything like that, blue works better with backgrounds that are dark, and green works better with backgrounds that are bright. Let's do a really quick demo. Let's highlight this clip and then chroma key that out. So double click. Let's go over to here, chroma key, highlight it. I'm going to place the eyedropper as close to the subject as possible. And there you go. Now let's also tidy this up a little bit for the demonstration of this tutorial. I'm going to drop a simple mask around here. It's always good to do this in case you are just joining me for the first time. You can learn more than just one thing. Let's highlight that, close it, and press OK. I'm going to use my crop tool here, like so. I'm going to bring that right in and get rid of all that unwanted footage onto the left and right. I'm going to go into the back in the edit tab so I can change that to the reside mode, which is this one. I'm going to increase it for the sake of this tutorial. All right, let's do the exact same thing for the green screen. Right, so now both are keyed out. Let's have a look at the difference between blue and green. This is the blue track, and as you can see, if I zoom right in on it, there is no artifacting in my t-shirt. I do not see a hint of a blue line on the back of me. Now, if I move that to the green screen, you'll see that I have a lot more noise in my t-shirt. As I drag my scrubber, you'll see that. Also, if you look very, very closely, there's a very faint green outline on the back of my head. And that is the difference between using blue and green. Dark backgrounds pulls a better key with blue as your background. And green works better with bright colors. And there you go. Now you know the difference between blue and green. And as always, thanks for watching.